Fliplearn is a 21st century e-learning platform designed for the internet age. It is India's first online educational portal and K-12 community that brings together all the stakeholders in a child's learning under one platform. It connects teachers, students and parents and enables a rich collaboration between them. The result is a revolutionary learning product that simplifies everything from learning, sharing and performing to instant school or homework submission, notices and many more. Fliplearn is a great system to help students learn. If you are teaching a class, you can easily organize all the class materials in one place. Your students will have access to the rich repository of learning videos and quizzes so that they can revise the modules you covered in class. Important questions, exercises, past year board papers, mock tests are now all available to students. Mathematics students will get access to extensive library of Math Guru resources so that they can see how to solve problems in case they did not understand in class. The students will not need to go to a tutor to solve their difficulties. Fliplearn is a great system to share. School teachers can use the convenient features to send important announcements or other messages to students or their parents. Messages can be sent by SMS or be flashed on the wall of the Fliplearn app. Messages can be sent automatically to a student's parent if he misses class or is absent from school. Teachers can share interesting links on students' wall as well as keep students and parents informed of any changes in schedules. Keeping pictures of school functions organized and sharing with parents is very easy with Fliplearn. Even connecting and keeping in touch with parents is simplified. Fliplearn is a great system to track the progress of students so that they can perform to their potential. All the scores of the students are available in one place on Fliplearn. Teachers will find it convenient to record scholastic and co-scholastic marks on Fliplearn. Generating CCE report cards is also easy and will save a lot of time for teachers. Parents too will appreciate getting regular reports from the school. They can simply view the reports online. Fliplearn harnesses the revolutionary developments in online, social and mobile learning and helps transform your school from being just a digital consumer to being an active participant of the internet age. Plus, students have an opportunity to access the learning modules and other materials from the comfort of their homes. Adopt Fliplearn today and get connected.